Push this rodeo out of the way, stuntman. Push the rodeo. Don't pop the airbags. Push the rodeo. Get the nose straight. But don't break the airbags. Just push it. Push it sideways. See if it'll go. That ain't happening. All right, I guess that's not gonna work. I can't.
Look at this fucking car.
It's like a genie. Cheech and Chong is in there.
That's a lot of smoke.
Yes, it is.
Look, there was
Anyone
some
in
kids
there?
the back.
There's some kids back
There's
there.
a car seat. Johnny, little Johnny.
Johnny, I told you not to smoke.
Johnny, you shouldn't be smoking at 3.
All right, here we are. Back to the Kia. Let me look at the back of this. I want to see what it is. To 2003. Stuntman's going to put it through the paces. A Kia Spectra. Spectra. Wow. I'm getting behind the safety pole. Don't forget, folks, we're on a public street. So if you hear sirens, run. What happened? Did he hurt it? Rev limiter! I think this thing just got nauseous on us. Stuntman! What happened? What happened? Did it shut off?
Granny's no good.
Tranny's bad. We're gonna have to de-door this thing. Be careful. This is... Oh, man. Let's see how it looks now. I love when we... I think he's stuck. Stuntman's stuck. Stuntman got stuck in the car. Oh, he's stuck. I gotta go home. Oh, okay. Uh-oh. Get him out before that happens. That's our Jaguar, by the way. What happened, Stuntman?